Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing a quick sketch of a hand with a finger pointing. So it's something like that, like we popularly see in the Uncle Sam posters. So if you have your pencils ready, we will sketch. So I would start with an oval to begin with, but then just put in lines like that around the oval. Like that, this, go like that, and then so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then just come flat like that. Now you see around the oval I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that kind of shape. That'll be the thumb, and that is the remainder of the hand. That's where the index finger is going to come around. So we're going to start off on this side, and we will go in that much, and then we keep going to the bigger knuckle, and let's take care of that finger next. And then the biggest knuckle, that finger, and we'll stop there now because we have to go on to the index finger, which is, I would recommend that you could use the coil. Here, coil means that you keep going in circles like that and stop somewhere here. Depends on how much foreshortening you need. So coils going backward, and then you just put down the index finger any one of so many ways. Believe it or not, that we can achieve so many angles here. I've just put in this one. You just have to show it a little bigger than the rest of the fingers because it is pointing outward and it's in the foreground. And we will just go around like from here, actually go down, put down the thumb, and actually you could also start from here for accuracy because you already have this middle finger down that much. Skin folds, thumb, and then according to the size of the thumb, I think it should come around here and not that much out, so I'm going to bring that in. Make it thicker if you wish. Again, it depends on what thumb you are sourcing to get the image down. Now the thumb in certain instances is also bigger depending on the hand that you're modeling. So you could go a little thicker, but only by so much, only by a fraction, because the remainder will be all details like these, like skin folds, and then of course on the index finger here you're going to plant or put down that nail and skin folds in the foreshortened way. And if I were to just put in some quick inks, imagining the light source coming down, we'll just go so much, put in some cross hatch here, put in some cross hatch behind each finger, put in a shadow right there where the index finger is of course raised over the rest of the hand and pointing outward. More intense shadow here, a bit of cross hatch there, and of course some shadow here, some shadow here, here we are. some shadow right under there, not too much. Some shadow right around this side, and of course somewhat here. Now you could also elaborate the knuckles if you wish, depending on what hand you are modeling again. And there we have it. Quick exercise in index finger pointing. Thank you very much for watching. Please do let us have your comments. Do subscribe and keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.